Big news with Michaela Crippleton on war. You are watching the big news with me, Michaela Graham, and Crippleton on war. So here is the significant events of September 1939 through December 1941. Number 1. Germany invades Poland in 1939 in a blitzkrieg. Number 2. Great Britain and France declare war on Germany. They coming for you, Germany. Number 3. Germany forces invade and conquer Denmark, Norway, Finland, Holland, Belgium, and France. Germany tries to bomb Great Britain into submission. 5. Germany invades French Indonesia, China in 1941. 6. Japan launches a sneak attack on Pearl Harbor. Oh no, they didn't! You were watching Big News on War with Michaela Graham and Crippleton. America, it's time to stand up and fight!